Black on black, always looking crispy. All right, so I'm back again, you guys. It's your boy Snoopy Eats 408. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button. Leave me some comments. I love reading the comments. And happy holidays to everybody. I decided to film in a new location, man. Switch it up a little bit. So I'm doing an official, full-blown, 100% Caribbean cuisine mukbang. Again, happy holidays to everybody out there. So let me explain what I got. So I got a whole bunch of stuff everywhere, but I can only get in the shot so much. So I got some wine right here with the wine glass, but I can't find the cork opener. So I'm gonna go with cold beer, but you know what? I'm gonna go with this type of beer. Some cream soda root beer by Barks. All right, so I also have right here some curried crab with shrimp. That's gonna go on the plate too. And then of course the infamous pepper pot. Those big huge chunks of meat up in there. And this stuff right here that kills my stomach, but it's delicious. This pepper sauce right here is the bomb. If you can find this, if you're a chili head or you just like a good hot sauce, a good pepper sauce, this is it right here, Fire Love. Really, really good. All right, and then I got my butter sauce that I made. It's just pure regular butter, onion, garlic, black pepper, and that's pretty much it. So, all right, y'all. Hope you like the setup, and I'm ready to get it in. All right, let's go, let's go. So, okay, so let's put this on first. I think I'm gonna attack that. You know what, I'll attack this first. So let's get that. Ooh, it's so tender, it's so hard to get with it. And I love eating with plastic forks, y'all. And it's hard to pick up this tender meat. It's ridiculous how tender this is, you guys. But I love all those fatty bits. Yup. Some of the gravy. So we have chow mein right here, cook up rice. That's cooked and pressured with beef, black eyed peas, coconut milk. We got white rice right here, and then of course we have the pepper pot over here on this side, oxtail, and beef ribs. And then we have the crab over there. So, but I'm gonna get into this first. Let me just pour this drink first. Should have grabbed two of them. It's a big old cup. Cheers, y'all. All right. Here we go. Try some of this bad boy right here. I advise you to be very careful with this. I usually put it on the side and then just dip the taste because it's hot, but it's really good though. But if you abuse it, if you don't respect it, it will disrespect you regardless. Yeah, let's make some white rice up in there. So man, I seen a lot of people were going live. I can't go live, but I didn't get a chance to catch any. I sent my family upstairs so I could film quietly. I think my daughter probably passed out playing video games. My son's playing video games. He's off today. That pepper sauce is A1, y'all. Hey, yeah, my cousin came by and he made these eggs. I'll give them a try. But yep, this time of year I always cook up the feast. The Caribbean feast. See, this is the bit I love right here. Fatty bit. Chew with my tongue. It's insane. I know I'm super excited to watch you guys' videos. And shout outs to everybody who's still doing my nacho videos, man. That's what's up. If you don't know about it, check it out. My Snoopy Eats Loaded Nacho Challenge. And everybody's welcome to do it. I have a burger challenge that I haven't even done myself yet. It's just been so busy. I'm going to get to it though. And then my taco challenge. I'm excited for the taco challenge. It's hot. You can taste the flavor in the vinegar. It'll clear you right up. I will pay for it, but right now, I don't even care if that. Don't mind me, you know I'm a werewolf, right? The werewolves are out. Whew. I'm mainly just gonna be eating, y'all. I ain't eat all day. Look at that. Dude, here, let me show you. Look at that. One biter? Should I try it? Nah, I want to savor this. Man, this food is so delicious and so easy to smash, I'm telling you right now. What's everybody doing tonight? Hopefully this is out early tonight. Ooh. Now I could eat this all, but I want to save a little bit of room for the scrap and shrimp. After I tear up this oxtail. You hear me? Whew, breathing heavy over here, y'all. That oxtail. Let's see how tender this is. Like butter, right? So I was chilling with my brother in the garage last night, pre-festivities, sipping and stuff. We were having a smoke, and I was going through my phone, and Mama D's World and Dom did a Christmas bang, right? So my brother asked me, he goes, "Who's that?" I go, "Oh, bros, check it out." So I showed him like 3 or 4 of your videos skimming through. And he was like, "Oh, they're dope, man. I love them." So my brother loves your channel. Shout out to Mama D and Dom. Excuse me. Dom, you be having us crack it up. And shout out to everybody. Hope everybody had a good, you know, time, excuse me, with their family and stuff like that. That was a nice heat, but it's not punishing like those fire noodles. Shrimp on here. So after the domino and card session, man, I'm gonna get in my tank top and drawers and probably watch Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. That movie's hella funny. Classic. You guys want a movie idea? There you go. Okay, I'm gonna have to take my rings off for this one. Well, it sucks I can't find the opener for this wine because I would like to have a drink with you guys, but whatever. So here's the butter sauce I'm going to use. Oh, that's what I forgot. Like lemon or lime, but it's all good. I've never done a seafood boil. And I don't really consider this a seafood boil, but it is seafood. I'm going to try it with this sauce. talking to brother Dame Dash, Flavors with Dame Dash, and excuse me. And I'm trying to get my first collab with him whenever we get a chance. Excuse me. To do a boil. I'd like to do a 3 or 4-way collab if possible. We can get some seafood boil vets up in there if you're down. This thing is sharp. I know I'm gonna get messy. I be trying to stay clean, but everybody I see do these things is always end up getting messy all over the place. Oh man. Huh. Better than nothing. Ooh. I actually ate some of this and made a video last night, but I never put it out. But I didn't really, I don't know. I didn't really care for it too much. I was really faded. I don't know if you guys want me to put it out. I'll put it out if you want me to. It's just sitting on my phone. I was grubbing though. After having this right here that I just made, this butter sauce, I could only imagine how B Love sauce tastes or MK Bites sauce tastes. I could only imagine. And I definitely want to try that. Yeah. Bomb. That is good. See how RDR's hooked on it now? Did I make a mess? A little bit. Just a little bit of shrimps. The cutest thing when I have my little niece over here, both my nieces, but she is a motor mouth, man. She's so tiny. She doesn't look it, but that girl's too smart. I don't know, man. Way too advanced. The stuff she be saying. So that's pretty much it for me, huh? My cousin's in the house. He probably wants to go have a smoke. Anyway, that's my Caribbean Christmas cuisine mukbang. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me some comments because I love reading them. That butter sauce and that crab was hitting. That's my little baby quote-unquote seafood boil, if you want to call it so. But all right, I got a real one coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, you guys be safe. Cheers. Have fun. I love you guys. Until next time, peace.